to how, as the devotees remain immersed in Ram Bhakti ahead of the Mandir event on the 22nd January, a political storm is brewing in Karnataka over the arrest of a car sevak. A man named Srikant Pujari has been arrested in Hubli in the 1992 post-Babri rioting case. The BJP has called the move anti-Hindu and has called for a massive statewide protest. But despite the protest, the Congress government has defended the move. The Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah himself has issued a statement accusing the BJP of defending anyone with a saffron shawl. In his statement, Siddaramaiah said that a national party should not defend an accused in a criminal case and claimed that the BJP was fighting for them only because they are Hindus. He also accused the BJP of defending anyone with saffron, no matter what the crime. He's also responded to the ongoing protests being staged by the BJP and Hindu activists in several parts of Karnataka. He maintains that the BJP is trying to shield an accused. Listen in.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಪ್ಪ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡದವರಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ನೀನು ಅದು ಕೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್? ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೂ ಕೇಳದೆ, ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅದು ಕೇಳದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅಂತ ಚಳುವಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಅವ್ರು ರಾಜಕೀಯಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Let me go across to Deepak and Imran joining us live on the story. Deepak, to you first, Siddaramaiah has come out with repeated reactions, which in itself was surprising to begin with, given the kind of anger we're seeing on the streets of Karnataka. In Bengaluru, the BJP could be seen staging a massive protest earlier today, and these kind of protests are planned all through the state. And yet you have Siddaramaiah come out to say time and again that law is taking its own course and sharpening the attack on the BJP to say that the BJP is the one shielding an accused, a criminal, because of his Hindu identity.
Yes, he put out a statement as well, Crispin, a little while earlier, and said that if a criminal puts on a saffron shawl, that doesn't make him, not guilty, and a law it has to take its own course. And he had earlier as well, yesterday, speaking about the same issue, had said that the police were just instructed to close old and pending cases, and that's exactly what they've done. And this is one among the several that is being looked into. And so there is no political vendetta or target.
Anti-Hindu, the Congress government, remember, though, has been claiming that the action was based on routine investigations. BJP has, of course, been questioning the timing of the arrest and has been asking why these arrests were made just ahead of the Ram Mandir event, given that the man in question here is a car sevak and was also sent an invite for the 22nd January.